Hey, what's going on? This is Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. And today I'm going to do an update video on FXTRADING Corporation. I haven't done any update videos on this in a while. Like I said, I've been, away doing other things, other platforms and things of that nature, trying to, build those up. But I'm going to start diving more into FXTRADING so that way I can get, more wrapped around it and get you guys the best information that you can so you can make an educated decision if this is something that you want to get into. But if you do want to check this platform out, I will leave a link in the description below and you can definitely jump in and get started. All right, now I'm going to just give you a brief overview of the company. I won't go all the way into detail, but I will be putting out more videos, doing more content on FXTRADING Corporation going forward, because I feel like this platform this platform is taking off. It is doing the right things. They are paying, and that's what we're here for. We're here to make money at the end of the day. We don't have time to pussyfoot around. We don't have time to think about this and think about that. All we're here and what everybody's going to be here for is to make some income, regardless of whatever. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, doesn't matter if you're intermediate, doesn't matter if you're a pro. You can definitely make money with this platform, okay? So now there's two ways that you can earn with this platform, all right? Now, if you're new and you're just now coming into internet marketing and doing things like that, you can come in and you can start earning money passively. And that's what a lot of people are doing these days. They want to earn a passive income where they don't have to go out and talk and sell and do all of that and get people to join them in the business. All right. Now you can come in and they have several different packages where you can get started. So you come over here to the plans and you can definitely get this thing rocking and rolling for $100. For $100 right now, you can get it rolling. And then they have a $10 membership fee, okay? So just bear with me now and understand the power of this, okay? So this platform pays up to 2.5%, all right? Since I've been involved with this platform, I haven't seen it get all the way up to 2.5% yet, but I mean, it can happen any day, all right? The highest that I've ever seen this platform get up to is 1.91%, all right? Now, what they do in the background, they're Forex trading, okay? They're Forex trading, all right? So they're doing crypto, they're doing, doing currency and things of that nature, and they're trading on your behalf, all right? So that's how they're able to pay out, okay? So of course, if you want to recruit and things of that nature, you can recruit and they can bring you a little bit more income coming in this platform, all right? Now, what's happening? So say you throw $100 into the platform and you're getting about just say you're getting an average about 1% per day, okay? I know you're going to say that's not any money, that's nothing, but just bear with me, all right? Because this thing gets powerful, okay? Now, if you come in at the $100 level, just chill at the $100 level for a little while, guys. Don't sit here, and I know you see all these other videos and all these other people making big money and you want to get to that level as fast as possible. But if you don't have the the means or the right income to come into the platform at the bigger levels, come in where you're comfortable. Like I said, I don't know what your finances are. I don't know what you have going on in your day-to-day life, but this is something that you can get started and get this thing rolling, okay? And then if you have an extra couple of dollars, then you can move on to the next plan and then move on to the next plan, okay? And that's how you do it and stair step this thing until you get to a position where you're comfortable, or to get to an income where you're comfortable of be able to take out every week, okay? However you want to do it, it's up to you. that, you can have your own strategy or whatever. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing and how I'm going to build it, okay? Because when I first came in, I started at the $100 level. I'm not going to say that, that I started way down here at the bottom at the $50,000 level, because that's the highest plan that they have in this platform. So you can just imagine if you were at that $50,000 level and you were getting about 1% per day on that. That would be game changer for anybody. I don't care what nobody says. They could say, oh, that's no money, or that's just a little bit of cake, whatever. I don't give a damn what you say. If you at the $50,000 level and you getting 1% per day, you already know what time it is. That's what you're going to be making per day. So you can clean up. All right. Now, you can just stair step this thing. Start small. If you don't have the money, or you kind of skeptical, or you don't know about how cryptocurrency works, or you don't know about the platform or whatever, but you want to get into this field and want to start making a little bit of extra money, this is perfect for you to come in at $100. And then if you have a little bit of extra money laying around, just say, for instance, you get a bonus at work, or, you got an extra paycheck coming in the household, and you got a couple extra dollars to spend. Okay, well, go ahead and spend the $200 and get the $300 plan, $300 bot to be working for you. Okay, and that'll increase your income in every single day. Now, this thing only plays Monday through Friday. They don't do any trading or anything on the weekends, on Saturday and Sunday. And this platform is, the South Korean time. So you have to understand that, they're damn, their hours, their time difference is hours from where I'm at in the United States. Okay, so now, once you get in and you start stair stepping it, this is the cool thing about this platform, because you don't have to come in and spend $100 and then turn around, spend $300 and then turn around and then spend $500. You can start with the $100 package. You could pay $200 and get the $300 bot, and then you can add another $200 to that, and then you can get the $500 bot. All right, and then you can just stair step your way up this thing. Okay, and then of course this is a big jump from the $500 to $1,000, and then $1,000 from the 3, and then the 3 from the 5. All right, but just understand this though. You start building this thing and doing what you're supposed to do on a daily basis, you can definitely grow this business. You can grow this business to, astronomical numbers if you stick to it and you stick to a plan and you stay focused and you grind this thing out. Okay. And so this is something that you can definitely get into, definitely take a look at, guys. I'm telling you, do not sleep on FX Trader, because this thing right here has been blowing up and everybody is talking about it. Just go to YouTube. Just go to YouTube and type in FX Trading Corporation and watch how many videos come up. Just watch how many videos come up. So if this was something that wasn't a lot of people talking about, or a lot of people was in, you wouldn't see it, because that's what everybody is doing. If anybody wants to research anything, or they want to know how to do something, they're definitely going to come to YouTube and they're going to check that out. So I highly recommend that you come over here and you check this platform out and see if this is something that you want to do. Because, just look at this. If you was at the $50,000 bot, oh my God. Oh my God. It would be crazy. It would be crazy the amount of money that you can make with this $50,000 bot. All right. Now, I just want to explain something for those of you that don't understand compounding. Okay. Because if you don't compound, of course, after you get your 400% from this package, it runs out. So don't get all high and mighty and this, that, whatever, and say, I got this money consistently coming in every single day. You're gonna have to say, hey, you know what? Do I want to grow this thing, or do I just want to take my profits and then go do something else? So you have to decide if you want to stay in this platform. You have to decide if you want to take it to the next level. That part is up to you. I can't, I'm not your financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do with your money. at the end of the day. And being that it's crypto, everybody know cryptocurrency is risky. So you guys all understand that. But if you get in here and you start checking this thing out, you can make a lot of money with this platform, okay? Now, I can't tell you how much money you're going to make because that's going to depend on the individual. That's going to depend on that person. But you can make a lot of money. There's people that have already made millions of dollars with this platform already, guys. Now, look how powerful that is. I'm talking about $1 million that they done already made with this platform. I'm not saying that I'm going to make $1 million, and I'm not saying that you're going to make $1 million or the person that you talk to going to make $1 million, but I'm just saying there's money out here for everybody to get. Let's go get it. If you're interested and you want to jump into something and you understand the concept, you'll be able to take that to the next level and be able to take things over. So you have to start somewhere. You have to build something. You have to build a network. You have to build yourself up. You have to get in here and start looking at different things because everything is right here in front of you. And we're giving you the blueprint. The blueprint is here. We're showing you the way to make money. It's gonna depend on you on how you get in there and you go get that money. Either you can follow us and roll with us and watch us grow, and you sit back and be relaxing, and then you start seeing everybody that you wish you could be like, and jump into something and start making some money. Or you can just, or you could say, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and take that leap of faith, and I'm going to jump into something, and I'm going to try to change my life. Because like I said, we can't guarantee you anything. I can't guarantee you how much money you're going to make, but I can tell you this. If you get in this thing and you work your ass off and you grind, you'll start seeing your income grow. You can't sit in one place. You can't be complacent. You have to be a student of your business. You have to know what's going on. And that's what we're here for. We're here to show you guys how to make money. We're not here to try to take your money from you or try to put you in all these BS platforms. I'm just showing you what I'm doing and how I'm making my money. Regardless of what people say, they can say whatever they want to say about me or whatever, negative or positive or whatever. But I surround myself around positive people. I don't do negative. Negative is not in my forte. All right, positive. That's what I be every single day. I don't let anybody piss me off. I don't get mad at people when people leave stupid comments in my comment box or whatever. Of course, I'm going to if it's something that you're flying off the handle about, yeah, I'm gonna delete your comment, because at the end of the day, I don't want people feeding into what you have to say, because now you can go troll somebody else. I'm not with the trolling. I don't go on people's YouTube channel, and I don't do all of that. All right, guys, I don't do that. It's all positive energy over here with me. I don't do negative. So I just wanted to get that out there for you. Now, if you guys, like I said, if you want to take a look at FX Trader, I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you can go ahead and come over here, go on and register. It's free. You don't have to come out of pocket. You don't have to spend anything if you don't want to, but just come over here and check it out. All right. Now, you come in, and when you first get into the back office, you want to come down here and you want to look at, go look at the bots. And the bots are trading in the background, okay? And they're going to show you what kind of profits that they made for the day. So for profits from the last day was 1.21%, okay? That's what the company made per day versus, their trades, okay? Now, these are the trades back here that are going on right now. These are the platforms that they're doing stuff on, and they're showing you right here. So I can't sit here and guarantee that this is what they're doing. I can't do that because I don't know 100%. But at the end of the day, I know that I'm making money with the platform, and that's how you guys have to be. If you want to get some money and you want to do it, then come get some money. If you don't, then hey, you can sit on the sideline. Okay, that's what you guys have to realize. You either got to take that leap of faith, or you just gonna sit there and watch everybody pass you up. So that's on you. All right. Now these are the you know, all the little Bitcoin or whatever that they're doing. Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardone, IOTA, and then Ripple. So these are the coins that they're putting their money into on the platform. All right, and trading with. All right. So that's just a kind of just a little brief little rundown. But yeah, go ahead and come in here and feel free just to see what's going on in the back office. And then, you know, if you don't know how to buy cryptocurrency and anything like that, it's very simple to do. All right. Now, and I'll leave this link down there below the video as well. You want to set yourself up a Coinbase account. All right. It just signed me out. But so I'm not gonna sign back in. But all you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to, you know, you come to Coinbase, and I'll leave the link down there. You sign up, and you're going to make you an account. You put your first name, your email, password, all of that, state you live in, and then you're ready to rock and roll. Then once you get in, they're going to ask you for your banking information, and they're going to ask you for a photo ID, and they're going to ask you for all of that, so that way they can verify that you're a real person, the KYC, know your customer, okay? So this is a legit company. Coinbase been around for years. They're not here to scam you out of no money or whatever, because I know people like, oh, I'm not giving my bank information to this, that, whatever. I mean, they're doing the right thing. There's no FUD about Coinbase, you know, but this is where you come in and you can set up your bank account information with it. You can set up a debit card, and once you have your debit card and things set up like that, then you can buy your cryptocurrency. And then once you get your cryptocurrency, then you can deposit it into FX Trader, guys. So if you want to join FX Trader, like I said, link's going to be there. Jump over here to Coinbase. This is how you buy your cryptocurrency. If you haven't, if you haven't done that. And then if you want to do more research, you know, there's millions of videos on YouTube that you can definitely come check out and look at Coinbase. And, you know, that's pretty much it, guys. I didn't mean to run this video, you know, too long, but I just wanted to just give you a little update on FX Trader and then a little bit about Coinbase. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed, like I said, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Definitely give me them thumbs up if you like the content I gave you today. And this is Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. I'll see you guys in the next video.